We're so excited to have Jill Woolman and SuperClean on board with Look Soil Propylene League. And when SuperClean started, Jill, it was really in kind of an automotive application, but it's really evolved since then.
Absolutely. So the people that were using it in the garages were using it to get the grease and oil stains out of their car parts, off the floors, their tools, things like that. But then it came into the house. People found out that they could use it to take grease and oil stains out of their clothes, their carpets, and then they looked at using it in the bathroom. And it'll take out soap scum. It will clean the hard water stains out of your toilet. And you can use it on your oven, your stove, your grill grates. There are just a multitude of uses.
When some people might be leery about using it inside the home, but the best part about it is it's biodegradable.
Absolutely. So you just use it, you can dilute it down with water and use it all over the place, and then it's safe for the environment, safe for your septic systems. If you take your grill grates off of your grill, put them in the grass and clean them off, the grease and grime will melt right off of them and your grass will be just fine. And then just this spring we released a new aerosol can, which the foam is thicker, stronger, it hangs on a little bit longer and gives you a little bit more cleaning power that way.
Yeah, perfect for spot cleaning.
Absolutely. Those carpets, it'll do a great job on taking those stains out of the carpets.
Well, we love it. Of course, like she said, you can find it at your local auto retailers. Go to superclean.com, find a retailer near you, and just remember, it's SuperClean. It's super easy and super fast.